Nope, nope, nope. We can't do that. I need JoJo up here though. Oh my god, I'm poisoned, bro. JoJo, I need JoJo up here as soon as he can. JoJo, oh my god.
What?
I need you up here because you had the gun. Bro, if we had the gun, we'd be straight. Oh my fucking god. Nigga, all this nigga don't want to grab a fucking gun. Going on this way.
Alright, the ball's rising. We two might play it. There might be a goner.
They're done with you. They're done with you. Don't go
right.
that way, bro. Do you have the gun, right?
Yeah.
My fuck, so then fuck it.
Feel like I've been here before. I guess I'll go. But we went left last time and nothing happened.
No, what's it called? We went up, but we couldn't go up because we got stuck.
Alright, guess I'm going this way.
Yeah, low key. The way you came, we might have to go that way, bro.
That's where I went last time.
So I got up here for nothing?
Unless you want to check the
Yeah.
thing again.
Man.
We can do it again if you want to do it again.
Yeah, I can go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Yo, see, I see you like breaking your ankles.
Slow damage. Too crazy.
I have a bug on my foot. Wait, what the fuck?
You gotta get
Oh,
the
this-
tick out, bro.
There's a tick. Oh yeah, move. Let me take.
I got it.
That's why I've been poisoned the whole fucking time.
I can feed it to you.
Don't feed that shit. I can't believe I'm saying it, but the trees might be
No,
the
we
move
gotta
low
go.
key.
No, not
We not climbing it? We not climbing these trees though?
Can't climb it. Let's get down.
Gotta see where it takes us.
Oh, crap. Sebastian?
You just said Sebastian? Oh, wait. Greed, climb the tree. Climb the tree.
I am. Piece of banana? I might just throw that up.
Oh my god, we actually get up to the tree. Alright, and then. Oh, bitch. Maybe two. Put your ass in and out the wall. Okay. I can go this way. I get. Perfect. In the water. Oh, it does nothing. Okay, now what do you think I should do? You think I should go on the outskirts or just climb through the middle?
I'll be back here again.
I don't think I can climb this over here.
Nah.
The middle.
Wait, where's everybody else?
I have no clue.
Oh, they're right there.
They're where?
They're blue right now. Like, you see it.
They above me?
No, they're right. Look down.
Oh,
Behind the waterfall.
I think I can make this jump. It was hella steep. Oh, I got it though. Bad. Alright, now this is... What the fuck? Can I make this
What's
one?
up, boy? You right there?
I don't think this is anything, but I want to see if I can hold myself right here real quick.
You two getting your dick sick by little Phoebe?
I'll go over there. Hello, wee wee. I wonder. I can. Wait, you got the gun, right? Can you check it? What's behind you? This nigga agrees trying to shoot us. That shoot up there. Actually, wait. Green, keep going that way. The aim right, aim right, aim right, aim right, aim right, aim right. When you jump, aim at the green part at the top right. Or that way. I think he's good. That's a good way over there. Actually.
Yeah, coming or no? Come on, the fog is coming, and I don't know what happened last time. Now come in. I'm about to leave again.
I'm not gonna make it. Oh no. Oh. That little
Where's
asshole.
JoJo?
No way. Lidu, can we go up this way?
That means no keep.
Jojo up here. Come on now.
You
I'm
can,
up
you
here.
can, you can low-key make it.
Jojo, no.
Jojo,
Jojo,
come on.
please.
Jojo.
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 Well, JoJo's alive, but you see, now you're gonna have to help his ass.
I got a rope. Does he need a rope? He's a good ass seeing. You got it, bruh. You need food to throw at
He
him?
got no stamina.
You need food to throw at
He
him?
needs food. He needs
I
food.
ate all the bananas, gang. You got no bananas over here.
You think I should give him my rope then, or should I save it?
Double it. Double it. Double it.
Should I give him my rope or should I save it?
Where's Jojo at? Is he
I don't
coming
know.
Back to where? Back to where Jojo at?
Oh, wait,
You close?
His poison's going down, so
Just in case if you forget. Digging your butt somewhere. Give it ass. Zero's not gonna make it, bro. Oh, he can. Wait. Shoot it, bro. Oh.
Where'd you go? Am I shooting?
Darkest
You not
days,
shooting?
darkest hours, darkest moments, darkest minutes, darkest seconds. I can make this first. Oh, greed. I'm not gonna lie.
Jojo died?
No, but I went up the way. I can't lie to you.
That's not your bad,
Very
bro.
fucking risky. V2, do
Jojo
I go
coming or not?
left, V2?
yeah.
Oh my god.
Don't go up though. Don't go up.
Oh my god. That's scaring me, right? No. Hold on, I could probably give Jojo a
Oh
rope.
wow, I got here. The way you went.
I could probably give Jojo a rope. Where's he at? How probably below me is he? Honestly, we could probably just make it.
Don't use the rope. He's all the way down. He's at where the waterfall ends.
Yeah, let's cook then. Don't ever stop you, Mom. Don't stop on your darkest days. Alright, oof.
I think you should go left.
Go left? Okay, but. Alright, really right here. Oh, we might have to risk some poison here, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You wanna risk some poison?
Who, me?
Yes, bro, cause we have to go through there. A little crevice.
I don't wanna.
God. Oh god. Oh god, Green, don't go over here. Green. I made it. I made it. I made it. I made it. It was worth it. It was worth it. It was worth it. Okay, we're close. Wait, we're low-key close, Green. Look, we're low-key close.
Did Jojo die?
I don't know, but he probably should soon.
B2, tell Jojo to die.
I don't think we're supposed to go. Oh, wait, we can see. Actually, hold on. Let me look outside real quick. Okay. We probably do have to go through here, actually. Right that way, right?
Over here, right?
Yeah, probably. I hope so. Oh my god, that little ass hole. These holes, bro.
Right cave.
Okay, right here, right here, right here.
Go through every crevice.
Right here, right
B2,
here.
can I eat this? B2, can I eat this? B2, can I eat this?
B2!
Bitch, it's raining.
Oh, I didn't mean to climb.
Jojo had to do it, bro.
God damn it. I started
B2, can I
climbing.
eat this? B2, can I eat this?
It wasn't it. No, it wasn't it.
Bro, I'm really low. I need food too, though, bro. Like, we need to eat
I
something
mean,
soon.
you can eat it, but just know the poison will go away. So you'll be fine.
No. I don't want. What's up? No way we should go.
We could either go.
Oh, y'all almost there too. Y'all almost there.
Wanna go this way?
Oh my god. Oof. That do, bro. Oh, I see the smoke. I see the smoke.
Oh, it's good, Jojo.
Okay, where's my final stand at? Oh, I can go left, right? Right. This is a good way to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Ooh, whoa. Watch out.
Luffy
But,
B.
like,
I did-
are you gonna do it though?
Luffy B. V2, can he eat that? AKA Robbie running ass.
Huh?
Oh my god, please!
Where's Jojo at? Please, 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 please. Ah. Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Whoa.